Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you this full coverage flawless foundation routine that is very affordable and showing you how to go from zero to snatched within a few minutes. So before we get started, you guys make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're updated whenever I upload, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at AllThingsJaz. So we're going to jump right in with our Black Radiance True Complexion Shine Control Primer just to get us started, give us a smooth base, and keep us mattified all day. And then we're going in with the Maybelline Superstay Foundation in 355 all over the face. And be sure to match your foundation to your neck and body and not your face, because my face is actually lighter than my body. So I want to make sure that I'm all one color. And we're just going to blend that out, and then we're going to jump into the Colourpop concealer in dark 40 to conceal the bags, all the luggage under our eyes, and highlight on our nose, forehead, and chin. And we're going to blend that out until we have no harsh lines and it's pretty seamless. Then we're hopping into our contour with the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F16, and you want to go a little bit darker than your foundation shade to kind of create that shadow effect. And we're going to go down the cheekbones, the sides of the nose, the temples, under the lip, and under the chin, just to create shadows and give us a more snatched look. And like I said, you want to make sure that you blend so you don't have any harsh lines. We're going to snatch down the sides of the nose, slim her out a little bit, because you know she has a little pudge going on. After that, we're going to jump into the Maybelline Loose Powder in medium 02 to bake under our eyes, down the bridge of our nose, forehead, and chin, basically everywhere that we highlighted, because we don't want any makeup sliding off our face in this humidity and heat that is Texas. And now I'm using the Black Radiance pressed powder to dust it away. And then I'm hopping into the Morphe Brontour powders and mixing two to basically set that contour and give us a little bit more color to our face. Now I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me Blush in 310 Deep Wine. And then I'm going to carve out my cheekbones with that same Maybelline powder just to make my face a lot more structured. And now I'm going into my favorite part, which is the highlight, and I'm using the Maybelline Molten Gold, which is the best drugstore highlight of life. And everybody knows how I feel about my highlighter. And now I'm just going to spray my Morphe setting spray to basically make my makeup last all day. And at this point, you can toss on some lashes and your favorite nude lip, and boom, snatched. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope that this was helpful and quick and didn't take up too much of your time. Don't forget to hit that ring bell notification so that when I upload again, you'll be notified, and stay tuned for the bloopers. See you later.
Anymore. We don't talk anymore. I promise I'll bite my tongue. Oh, wow, wow. I'm thinking you back. Let me help you bounce back. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah, you can get it. You deserve it, baby. Gotta get it, gotta get it. 'Cause ain't no limit, shot it, gonna spit it. Whatever I said to make you take your love away from me, I take it back.
Too shy, I ain't never scared. Ooh,
Hit her with that, oh my God. Only for me. Dash, 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 do it. Only for me. Dash, 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 do it.